Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. Today, we're talking about how many potatoes you can grow from one plant and how to maximize your yield. Different potato varieties produce different yields. Russet potatoes, for example, are known for their high yield compared to other types like fingerlings. The quality of your soil is key. Potatoes thrive in loose, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. You'll want to add compost or a balanced fertilizer before planting. Using certified seed potatoes ensures healthier plants and better yields. Avoid using grocery store potatoes as they may be treated to prevent sprouting. Proper spacing is critical for growth. Plant your seed potatoes 12 to 15 inches apart to allow enough room for the tubers to develop. Consistent watering is essential for good potato yields. Potatoes need 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Overwatering can lead to rot, so make sure the soil stays moist but not soggy. Hilling your plants as they grow helps protect tubers from sunlight and encourages the growth of more potatoes. Add soil around the base of the plants as they reach about 6 inches in height. Potatoes need full sunlight for at least 6 hours per day. Make sure they're planted in a spot where they get enough direct sun. To protect your plants from pests like Colorado potato beetles, use organic pest control methods or natural predators to keep your plants healthy. On average, you can harvest potatoes 70 to 100 days after planting, depending on the variety. Watch for the plants to turn yellow and die back, indicating they're ready. A healthy potato plant can yield between 5 and 10 potatoes. Though under optimal conditions, it can produce up to 20 potatoes per plant. After harvesting, allow the potatoes to cure in a cool, dark place for a few days. This toughens their skins, making them last longer in storage. Now you know how to maximize your potato yields. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. Grower Today.